Hey Nancy, can I ask you to help me for a minute?
Sure, Jack. What can I do for you?
I need to practice my "if you were my attorney" story. Will you play along?
Okay,
Pretend you're out of law school now and you're a practicing lawyer.
okay, but I'm not cheap.
Well, to make it simple, let's just say you only charge $100 per hour. So, I come to you and tell you I'm married with 2 teenage kids. Instead of you charging me by the hour to provide legal services for me and my family, I ask that we work out a flat fee arrangement that I can pay you each month to cover all the legal services I'm going to describe to you. Okay.
Okay,
What I want to do is outline some of our legal needs, and I'd like you to calculate as I go through them, at $100 per hour, what you would charge to provide all of these services for us each month. First, I want anyone in my family to be able to pick up the phone and call you when they have a legal question or need legal advice. We might call 1 time, 5 times, or more a month with no time limit on how long we talk. Start adding this up at $100 per hour. Second, before we ever sign a legal document, whether it be a contract to buy a house, lease a car, rent an apartment, purchase a cell phone, or whatever, we want to be able to say, "This looks great, but let me run it by my lawyer." We want to be able to fax or send an unlimited number of documents for you to review, all 10 pages or less in length, to make sure the documents are prepared with our best interest in mind. I've heard it said, "The bold print giveth, but the fine print taketh away." Also, anytime we have a legal issue, you would probably agree that a lawyer making a phone call or writing a letter on the firm's letterhead will carry a lot more weight than if we tried handling it ourselves. It might happen 3 times a month or 10, so keep tallying this up at $100 per hour. Plus, I want a reduction to your regular rate on any legal services beyond what we've agreed you'll do for me on a monthly basis. At $100 per hour, how much would you have to charge per month to provide all of these services to me and my family?
Are you kidding? You couldn't afford me.
Well, I've heard anywhere from $500 to $5,000 a month. Most lawyers wouldn't even consider this type of deal because they don't know how often you'd need their services. So, I'm sure you would agree that if this kind of coverage were available for only $100 a month, it would be hard to believe. Right?
Indeed.
Well, there is a company that provides all these services and more for less than $1 a day.
For real? How do I sign up for that?
It's fast and easy. Go to my website and enroll. There's a $10 processing fee, and the life events legal plan that described to you is only $26 a month, and I didn't even mention that you get a complimentary will.
Jack, this is awesome. I could actually use this service right now because of what's happening with my landlord and my deposit.
Nancy, if that's the case, let's enroll you now. I have my laptop with me and we can sign you up in 10 minutes.
Wow, this is great.